bulldog ramen. It's just a spicy ramen. And then we're just gonna add like green onions, cheese, and milk and stuff. And then sesame seeds.
The technical name is Zoom Zoom Oomz and Wham Wham's ramen recipe. That is the actual name of it. Cutting on it, tasting like a combination of all the ingredients.
They wanted to cook ramen, and so we just brainstormed that we should do a cook-off and invite our staff to come taste test. The rules were they got their choice of chicken or beef ramen unless they wanted to bring their own. And so some of them brought like the bulldog noodles, and then we have some gluten-free students, so they have some rice noodles, and I got those. The rules were everyone in your team had to agree on the recipe. If one person in your group didn't like the recipe, you had to move on and find a new one. This is exactly what I hope for, that they're engaged and they're excited and they learn how to make something new. And they work well as teams. I let them put together their own teams, and if there's someone who's not comfortable necessarily with doing the measuring and some of the cooking, then they're on dishwashing duty. So we kind of let them decide their own roles.
Is the bulldog ramen? Wait, they said that this one didn't have a lot of spice. So maybe I'll try another one.
It's really good. Both got different, unique flavors, and they were both very flavorful. You guys did a good job, and the other group did a really good job.